Hello, good morning, everyone. Children, I hope that you all are fine. Okay, so this is the third part of chapter 4 Health and Hygiene. Before this, I have sent you two parts. I hope that you all have watched those two parts and you have done two exercises for revision in your copy. So, if you haven't done, first watch those two videos, part 1 and part 2, then watch this video and do exercise for revision 1 and 2 before watching this video. Okay, so let us start today's video, and today we are going to start with the topic waste. So every day we put many things in our dustbin. For example, after eating a banana, we put its peel in the dustbin. A large number of packaged products like chocolates, biscuits, milk, pulses, oil, and rice are packed in paper wrappers, plastic bags, cupboards, curtains, tin boxes, and many other kind of packing materials. Okay. After removing the products, we put the packing materials in our dustbins. These are waste material, or we call it garbage. There are two types of waste. First, biodegradable waste, and second, non-biodegradable waste. So let us study about them. What is biodegradable waste and what is non-biodegradable waste? So first, let us discuss about the biodegradable waste. This is the kind of waste that can be decomposed by microorganism over a period of time so that it cannot harm the environment is called biodegradable waste. So basically biodegradable waste is the waste which can be decomposed by the microorganism with the period of over the period of time. Okay, it takes time, but later or sooner it will be uh, uh, digested, or sorry, not digested, but it can be decomposed by the help of microorganism, such as peels of vegetables, cuttings of fruits and vegetables, leftover food, leaves, animal dung, plant residues, and agricultural waste. These are the examples of biodegradable waste. On the other hand, non-biodegradable waste is the waste that cannot be decomposed by the microorganism and stay unchanged over time is called non-biodegradable waste. Okay. For example, plastic, glass, and metal objects are example of non-biodegradable waste. So you can imagine what are biodegradable and what are non-biodegradable waste. The waste which is decomposed by the microorganisms such as leaves, vegetable and fruits peels, and the dung of animal and different kind of waste which are decomposed by the microorganism is called biodegradable. On the other hand, which is not decomposed and which does not vanish over a period of time is called non-biodegradable, such as plastic, glass, metals, all these things. Okay, now it is important to separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste so that they can be disposed properly. For this we use two types of dustbin: blue dustbin and green dustbin. As you can see in the picture, this is the blue dustbin and this is the green dustbin. The blue dustbin is used for collecting non-biodegradable. Okay, so this is for non-biodegradable waste and this is for biodegradable waste. Okay, green dustbin is used for collecting biodegradable waste. Now, problems caused due to waste. What are the problems that occurs due to the waste? Biodegradable waste that is left in open causes bad smell in the surrounding. Houseflies and rats are attracted towards it and they spread diseases. Third, non-biodegradable waste do not decompose, they cause pollution. So these are the 3 points uh, which causes harmful effect uh, on environment. Okay, now how to reduce generation of waste? How can we reduce the production or generation of waste? It is important to reduce the generation of waste, it can be achieved by practicing the 3 R's. 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? First R is reduce, second R is reuse, and third R is recycle. So what is reduce? Reduce means creating less waste, especially the non-biodegradable waste. Some ways to reduce waste are: number one, do not buy a new school bag, a lunch box, or a pencil box when you already have a perfectly usable one. Second, carry your own cloth bags while shopping to avoid the use of polythene bags. Now, third, use metals or china plate instead of disposable plastics plates and cups. And fourth, take as much food on your plate as you can eat so that you cannot waste the food. Now, second R is reuse. Reuse means using the things again and again, using old things for other purposes instead of throwing them away. Some ways to reuse waste are: number one, use plastic jars in which we get food items like pickles and jam to store things like salt, spices, sugar, and pulses. Make mats from old clothes. So when the clothes get older, what we do, we throw them. So do not throw them, but you can use them in making mats. Number three, donate old clothes and furnitures to the poor and needy people. Four, use old newspapers to make carry bags. Use old chart papers to cover your books, notebooks, and flies. And the third R is recycle. Make useful things from waste material is called recycling. Some ways of recycling are: recycle old newspaper and make tissue paper and cardboard. Number two, collect, separate, and send glass, metals, plastics, and paper to recycle industries. Here, they are used to make fresh glass, metals, plastic, and paper products. Number three, metals cans are melted in recycling industries to make fresh metals. They are used to make new products. Okay. So now, exercise for revision third starts from here. Question one: tick the correct answer. Which of the following is biodegradable waste? Peels of fruit, leaves, animal dung, all of this. So all of this is the right answer. Which of the following is or are not biodegradable waste? So plastic is non biodegradable waste, glass is also non biodegradable waste, metal also non biodegradable waste. So all of these is the right option. Which of the following dustbin is used for collecting non biodegradable waste material? So non biodegradable waste material, uh, to collect non biodegradable waste material, we use blue dustbin, okay, because green dustbin is used for biodegradable waste. Write T for true and F for false statements. Rewrite the false sentences correctly. Non biodegradable waste decompose easily. So this is false because biodegradable waste decompose easily. So you have to write the correct statement also. Don't forget it. Second, reduce means creating less weight. Reduce means creating less waste. So this is uh, true. Okay. Now third is take as much food only as you can eat. This is true. And making useful things from waste material is called reusing. Making useful thing from waste material is not reusing, but it is recycling. Okay, so this is false. You have to write it is recycling. Okay, so do this, and next on the next turn I will send you the question and answer of this chapter. Thank you everyone.